Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, OS up to date and at least 100 MB free. Once done, pick a source, system presets, a trusted app, or your own short video/GIF. You choose the visual. Open Settings or a Wallpaper app now and grant storage and display permissions so the system can read and set the file. Make sure battery saver is off because it can block live animations. This starts the process immediately and prevents permission stalls later. You import the file or choose the live preset and then configure it. This is the complex middle. If you use a video, trim to 15-30 seconds and export as MP4 so the phone can loop it smoothly. Make sure the crop matches your screen ratio, for example 16:9 or 9:16, then select Start/Stop positions. Once configured, set playback options, loop, mute, and frame rate. These choices balance smooth motion with battery and performance. You finish by applying the live wallpaper to your home screen, lock screen, or both. Press Apply or Set Wallpaper and wait for confirmation. If the animation stutters or drains battery, lower export resolution or frame rate, or shorten the clip to conserve resources. If it fails to appear, revoke and re-grant storage and overlay permissions, reboot the phone, then reapply. That single troubleshooting step resolves permission caches and display issues most of the time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.